It's official. 2 years into the pandemic, masks are now optional for students.
Today, Governor Youngkin signed a bill banning mask mandates in schools. The issue has drawn heated debate from both sides and lawsuits. 7 school boards across Virginia, including Hampton, sued the governor over this. Governor Youngkin says he hopes this new law will put that matter to rest.
We now have a law of the land that's been passed by our General Assembly and signed by the governor, signed into law, that in fact protects the rights of parents to make this decision. And so I'm looking forward to hopefully all those lawsuits going away.
Still, the new law is sparking mixed reaction in Hampton Roads. Some parents call the move an exciting step forward.
Others, though, are concerned about taking this path during a pandemic. Angelique Arentalk spoke with local parents on both sides of the argument.
We're bringing home the first real thing from the General Assembly, the first real product of the November election.
Delegate Tim Anderson of Virginia Beach says starting now, students at Virginia K-12 schools can go to class unmasked if they choose.
The courts will have no discretion to enter an injunction on this. This is the law.
Anderson supports giving families the choice on this issue. He has a son in middle school.
I've told my son, wear a mask if you would like to wear a mask, and don't if you don't. It's your decision. It's your choice.
Newport News Public Schools teacher and parent Mary Voss tells me she's disappointed with the law's passage on Wednesday.
It's a very regressive law.
She points out that many school-aged children still aren't vaccinated against COVID-19 and that universal masking is especially important for protecting people in schools who are immunocompromised.
Has unfortunately become a political issue here in the United States instead of a common sense public health strategy.
Voss is also worried given the ongoing uncertainty about what's next in the pandemic.
There's probably more waves coming, and now our Virginia school boards aren't going to have the tools needed.
Again, the new law is in effect now, but Anderson explains that the power to enforce will begin March 1st. So if certain school divisions decide to keep their mask mandates in place, Anderson envisions the Attorney General filing a court order to compel them to follow the law. In Norfolk, Angelique Arentalk, 13 News Now.
13 News Now reached out to local public school divisions with mask mandates. Hampton tells us it will fall in line with any new law.
Portsmouth expects students to keep wearing masks until March 1st, and Newport News says it has no comment at this time. We're waiting to hear back from other school divisions.